Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial we discussed bitwise AND operator. Today I will show you one of the important behavior of bitwise AND operator. Here we'll take few example. In the first example here we can see the binary representation of two integer number, and I'll do bitwise AND operation, and here we can see the result. And here are few more examples. Next, in this side we have few more example. In all this example we are performing bitwise AND operation. One of the operand is 1. So here we can see in some of the example output is 0, and in some of the example output is 1. If you carefully observe the operands, one of the operand is even here, all the even numbers. So when you perform bitwise AND operation on even number and 1, then we'll get output as 0. And if I perform bitwise AND operation on odd number and 1, then we'll get output as 1. So we can use this property to check whether the given number is odd or even. Okay, so that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.